Okay, so that's good to hear. I would like, this representation would like to see the department more proactive in its statements about the positivity of nuclear power in the light of a change in attitude in America, Europe, and the rest of the world, positive change regarding the use of nuclear power. So it brings me to my parochial concern. My town, a town in my district, Labrador, Pangasinan, has given social license to the construction of nuclear power. Unfortunately, the North Zambales fault line passes nearby Labrador. I am not concerned because in the Pacific Rim of Fire, which includes the Diablo Canyon nuclear plant in California, where the San Andreas fault passes nearby, they have built a nuclear plant there to 0.4 G seismic design basis. After the plant operated, they discovered a branch of the fault which passed near the plant. So subsequently, they upgraded the seismic basis to 0.7 G. And I learned later on that even in Japan, up to 1.0 G was used as seismic design basis for several plants. And so we want to do a seismic and meteorological site study for Labrador. It costs money, Mr. Secretary. I have